Okay, folks, it's March the 12th, which means there's literally like 3 days left of walleye fishing here in Zone 16. I don't know when this video is going to be edited or posted, so it might be after the season closes. So, yeah, just letting you know I'm not fishing out of season. It would be pretty dumb to do stuff and especially post stuff that are illegal. So yeah, let's go catch some fish. Well, I've definitely got something on. Yep, it's a nice little walleye. Or maybe not so little. Oh, it's a nice fish. Definitely a nice fish. Oh yeah. No. It was one of them sucker things, which I'm not interested in catching. It was one of the round ones. I don't know what they're called. I still don't know what they're called. Okay, this one is a walleye. Definitely a walleye. Or definitely another carp. What is you, man? What is you? Oh no, man, this is a and would you look at that? Right in the mouth. He actually went for it. He's like barely hooked on. That was a sucker. It wasn't a carp. See, that one felt like a walleye because he wasn't really fighting. He was hooked in the mouth and he was only like, 2-3 pounds. So, felt like a nice walleye. Yep, probably another carp. Although this one is not fighting at all. Unless he's a foul hooked sucker, which he is. There you go. Little sucker there. Well, once again filming in the wee hours here of daylight. hoping for a bite from the elusive, seems to be elusive, walleye here. On the upside, I did buy 5 more 32 gigabyte SD cards. So memory wise, we should be good. That's the life of fishing though. You really can't win them all. Some days you catch fish, some days you catch a lot of fish. Some days are just amazing, and some days are like today, where all you really want is just a bite. Just a bite, man. All I really want. And then every little twig, every piece of grass, every little rock you touch, I don't know, maybe just wishful thinking, but everything feels like a bite. Even though you know in your head, you know it's not, but you just want it to be so bad. Please, bass season, hurry up. Can't wait. You know, the good thing about the Thames is you don't have to say where you are on the Thames. The Thames is actually very good fishing pretty much any time of the year. But if you're like a beginner and just, you know, want to start out something, go for the Thames. And I mean, you could start with just a good old curly tail. Those things never fail, trust me. Get a couple casts in here before I literally can't see anything. Well, I think I'm gonna end the video on this note. Don't forget to like the videos and also subscribe. That way we can keep making videos. See you on the next one.